What is up, Savage Life family? Today I'm going to be explaining why you should stay away from tech stocks for now. Now I just want to give you a heads up. If you live under a rock and you don't know, there's currently a president election going on at the moment, then I just want to go ahead and let you know that there currently is, and in 4 days they will be electing a new president. Now, necessarily the election itself doesn't affect the market, but who comes into office in the long term will affect the market. Now, if Biden is elected, the Biden administration has proposed increasing the corporate tax rate to 28% from 21%, potentially weighing in on the company's earnings, affecting huge tech companies like Apple stock, Amazon, Google, etc. Not only that, whichever party takes control, whether if it's the Democratic Party or the Republican Party, increased regulations will come to the sector. This past week has been terrible for tech companies like Apple. If you saw Apple's earnings recently, there was a huge sell-off. But if you look into the earnings, you'll see huge tech companies like Google, Facebook, Apple have been expanding their businesses this year, which means this virus has not impacted them as much as a lot of other smaller companies, of course. But Trump and Biden have criticized large tech companies, calling for them to be broken up because he truly believes there is something going on in terms of monopoly. Now, I don't know if you guys know what a monopoly is, but of course, monopoly, I'm going to give you a quick example. Let's say Apple was the only creator of a cell phone, and in order for us to buy a phone, we would have to get it from Apple. That is basically a monopoly, not in terms of there's no Samsung, there's no Android, there's no BlackBerry. All the phones are iPhones and Apples, which basically is what's going on in the world. Everybody and their mom has an iPhone, and if you don't, good for you, kudos. But these tech giant monopoly, if something isn't done, it's going to be a huge problem in the future. New world order. But if Biden is elected into office, there will be a $2 trillion stimulus package, which will affect the market. As you all know what happened to the past stimulus package, how our portfolio is looking nice, pluff and green. This month has been terrible for the market, and when the market is this volatile, you want to take a step back, wait for the results of all the earnings to settle itself, and then dive back into the market, ladies and gentlemen. So I highly suggest that you avoid big plays for the next couple of weeks, especially on tech giants like Apple and Tesla. Take a chill pill and have a lot of cash on the side, because it is going to be a roller coaster once the unemployment rate is updated, as well as this stimulus package, if it goes through or not. So keep your eyes on the lookout for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, of course, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and comment of what you think. And see you on the next one. That's it. Sayonara.